Cryptocurrency trading continues to evolve rapidly, with many platforms offering various features designed to meet the needs of both novice and experienced traders. With a plethora of choices available, selecting the right trading platform can significantly influence one's trading success and experience. Each platform provides its unique blend of tools, security measures, and fee structures, making the choice more critical than ever. In this video, we will compare the top 5 crypto trading platforms right now to help you find the one that works best for you. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button before we continue with this video. Thank you. Also, make sure to check the links in the description below to try these crypto platforms for free. Number 5. eToro, best platform for copy trading. eToro has established itself as a prominent platform in the crypto trading space. It offers a combination of social trading features and a user-friendly interface. This platform supports trading in over 30 different cryptocurrencies, making it a versatile choice for those looking to diversify their crypto portfolios. The platform includes an online brokerage, allowing users to trade a limited selection of stocks and ETFs alongside cryptocurrencies. This integration provides a cohesive experience for traders wanting exposure to multiple asset classes within a single interface. One of eToro's standout features is its social trading functionality. Users can follow and copy the trades of experienced investors. This feature is particularly useful for beginners who may benefit from observing the strategies of more seasoned traders. This trading platform also offers a free digital wallet known as the eToro wallet. This wallet is available on both iOS and Android platforms. The system, while functional, charges a 2% fee for transferring funds out of the platform. The platform has tailored offerings for different skill levels. It caters to both beginner traders with its intuitive design and experienced traders through comprehensive tools and trading options. Number 4. Kraken, best trading platform for beginners. Kraken is a prominent cryptocurrency exchange known for its comprehensive platform tailored for both beginners and advanced traders. Established in 2011, it has built a reputation for security and reliability in the crypto industry. Users can access 2 different platforms under Kraken: the basic Kraken platform and Kraken Pro. Kraken Pro, in particular, offers lower fees, charging 0.16% for maker fees and 0.26% for taker fees for trades up to $50,000 in a 30-day period. This tiered fee structure makes it appealing for higher-frequency traders. Kraken supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, providing users with diverse trading options. It also offers margin trading, which allows traders to leverage their positions, increasing both potential gains and risks. The platform offers advanced security features to protect users' funds. Funds are stored in offline cold storage to prevent hacking incidents, and the platform has implemented strict security protocols, including 2-factor authentication. Kraken's interface on both desktop and mobile applications is user-friendly. This ease of use, combined with a wide array of features, makes it suitable for various types of traders. Customer support is robust, featuring a comprehensive help center and a responsive support team. Number 3. Bybit, best for derivatives trading. Bybit is a prominent player among crypto trading platforms, known for its focus on derivatives trading. Founded in 2018, Bybit has quickly risen to become one of the top exchanges by trading volume. The platform is based in Dubai, which adds a layer of trust and regulatory compliance in a region growing in importance for the crypto industry. The exchange supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, boasting 390 coins and 484 trading pairs. Its robust trading platform is designed to cater to both beginners and advanced traders. Bybit's user-friendly interface reduces the learning curve for new users, making it easier for them to navigate and execute trades. A significant aspect of Bybit is its leverage trading options. Bybit allows users to trade with up to 100x leverage, making it an attractive choice for traders looking to maximize their potential returns. This feature, while risky, appeals to those who are comfortable with taking on higher risk for potentially greater rewards. Security is a top priority for Bybit, The exchange employs industry-standard security measures, including multi-signature wallets and advanced encryption protocols. Customer support on Bybit is robust, with a 24/7 support team available to assist users with any issues or questions. This high level of customer service helps to maintain user satisfaction and trust in the platform. Number 2. Coinbase Advanced, best for security. Coinbase Advanced is designed for users seeking more sophisticated trading tools. It encompasses the features of Coinbase, but caters to the needs of seasoned traders. The platform provides an intuitive interface that combines ease of use with powerful trading functionalities. Traders can access real-time market data and execute trades swiftly. A standout feature is its charting software, supporting various technical analysis tools. These tools help traders analyze market trends and make informed decisions. Coinbase Advanced offers enhanced order types, including limit orders, stop orders, and good-till-canceled options. These advanced orders give traders greater flexibility and control over their trading strategies. Coinbase Advanced also ensures security. The platform employs industry-leading security measures such as two-factor authentication and biometric logins to protect users' assets and data. Integration with Coinbase Wallet ensures seamless asset management. Users can easily move assets between their trading account and wallet. The platform also offers margin trading, which allows traders to borrow funds to increase their trading positions. This feature can amplify gains, but also carries higher risk. Fees on Coinbase Advanced are competitive. While they vary depending on trading volume, the structure is transparent, enabling users to understand the costs involved. Number 1. Binance, best for advanced trading features. Binance is one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges worldwide, known for its extensive range of features and services. Founded in 2017, Binance quickly established itself as a leader in the crypto market. Binance offers a wide array of cryptocurrencies and trading pairs, making it an attractive option for traders looking to diversify their portfolios. The platform hosts over 700 cryptocurrencies and more than 1,000 trading pairs, ensuring ample opportunities for trading. One of the standout features of Binance is its high liquidity, which is essential for executing large trades without significant price slippage. This makes it a preferred choice for both individual and institutional traders. Binance also prioritizes security. The exchange has a long track record of keeping customer assets safe, employing advanced security measures such as 2FA, cold storage for funds, and regular security audits. For users interested in futures trading, Binance offers up to 100x leverage, allowing traders to maximize potential returns. Additionally, the platform is known for its low trading fees, which can be further reduced using Binance Coin for fee payments. Binance also provides various educational resources, helping traders at all levels improve their understanding and strategies. The platform includes research articles, videos, and webinars, contributing to a well-rounded user experience. The exchange supports multiple trading options, including spot, margin, and futures trading. This versatility caters to a wide range of trading strategies and preferences. In conclusion, choosing the right crypto trading platform depends on individual needs and preferences. Each platform mentioned in this video excels in particular areas and can cater to different trading strategies and goals. You need to evaluate the specific features and benefits of each one to find the best match for your trading needs. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, leave a comment, share with friends, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button for future uploads. Thank you.